Hi, this is Corey from AccuMind Technologies, here to demonstrate our app, Knockbar, allowing you to order services to your home. All right, just to go over a brief demonstration, we're going to start by opening up the app. This will be the first screen that you come to. So it's as easy as you using your current location. You just have to click on Use My Current Location. It literally does a GPS search for where your phone is at that point, and it will populate your address automatically. If it does not, you can easily just click on this line here, type in your address. It does a smart lookup, so if you start typing in anything like 1104 Fennel, it will populate the rest of the address for you. All right, now we're going to start by going through the menu. So you have this menu up in the top left-hand corner here. It gives you all a breakdown of everything we can do with our app. So you can browse different service providers that are local to your area, what Knockbar has to offer. You can update your profile. That's just all your user information, like your name, email address, phone number. You can change your password, add an image of yourself. We have an address book. Address book will be useful for you down the road if you have multiple locations. You can add your addresses to the address book. Your points that you have with Knockbar. Our terms and conditions, our help, which takes you to a FAQ page, settings, and to log out of the app when you're finished. All right, so let's get started. So we're going to search for services that are around our area. All right, you'll notice that I found about 10 companies. These are all the different categories Knockbar offers for your area. You can see everything from landscape down to aqua services like closing your pool. All right, we're just going to go ahead and click on one. So we're just going to do handyman for now. When you click on handyman, it gives a breakdown of what kind of handyman products you could choose from. So let's go with minor electrical repairs. So I'm looking to install a new outlet. So we would click on install a new outlet. You'll see that it added a number 1 to the cart up in the top right. We're going to click on that. Now it's going to take us to the checkout screen where we can actually order a service provider to come to our home and install that electrical outlet. So this will give you a breakdown of, there's a $5 delivery fee. Gives you a whole breakdown of the total cost of this job and how many points you've earned or you earned with Knockbar. The points system is used to deduct off your total. So as you're generating points, you're able to use them, and it will subtract the total cost of your next job. So we're going to go ahead and check out. Now that we've hit checkout, it's going to take us to where do we want this service provider to go. So we're going to choose an address here. You'll see you can select from your address book if you already have pre-populated addresses, and select from your address from map. So we're going to choose that one for now. All right, and we're going to go to our address. All right, so now we found us. We're going to use this location. All right, you'll see that I filled it out all on your own. And if you want to add this address to your address book, you just hit save to my address book down here. You'll see me toggling it on and off. And then we select our payment method. So all we have is credit card and PayPal. So we're going to use credit card for now. And this is where we can add our credit cards. We're going to go here. We're going to add our credit card. So you fill out this information. You hit save. I'm not going to set up a new credit card because we already have one. So we're going to use our credit card here. Click on it and hit use this card. Now you'll see that we're ready to place our order. Once you place the order, you'll give a reference number, and the job will be sent out to our dispatch team, which will get you a service provider. Thank you for tuning in with AccuMind Technology.